Hi everyone, welcome to our Baidu live session. We are super excited today because we are unveiling something that could completely transform the way you create, MeDo. I'm Zhang Yu, you can call me Cherry as well, the Senior Product Operation Manager of MeDo, and I'll be your host today, guiding you through this exciting new world of creation. Join me as some of the brilliant young minds behind MeDo, our product and tech team full of Generation Z and creativity. Let's start by saying hi to our audience, please.
Hi, I'm Zijun. As the product manager of MeDo, I'm responsible for the generation effects.
Hello, I'm Wenhao. I'm a product manager of MeDo, focusing on product design and functionality.
Hi, I'm Wenhan. I work as an R&D at MeDo, primarily focusing on code generation.
Thank you all. Thanks Zijun, Wenhao, and Wenhan. And what a young, dynamic, and energetic team, right? With a Generation Z dream team like this, we're bringing you exciting new no-code creation experiences. Welcome to join the AI revolution, where everyone is a builder. Let's dive into the magical world of MeDo together. MeDo is Baidu's brand new AI-powered no-code application builder. If you've ever had a product idea and dreamed of building your own app or website but felt programming or coding was too hard? Today, that dream becomes reality. No coding, no barriers, no technical errors. Everyone can just build up and make your business idea come true. Just describe your idea and talk to the agent like you talk to your GPT, and then MeDo's AI agent will handle everything from design to launch. Sounds amazing, right? Now let's hand it over to Zijun to show us how powerful MeDo really is.
Hi everyone. Now let me introduce MeDo, a powerful no-code platform. It empowers anyone to create a complete, functional application simply through natural language and intuitive tools. You can say things like, I want to make a travel booking website. Or you can say, I need an inventory system for my shop. In just minutes, MeDo automatically builds everything, the front end, the back end, database, and the UI design. And this is what we call 10 minutes to create, 1 hour to iterate. Some of you may have already tried other web coding tools like Lovable or UL, but today you will say what truly set MeDo apart is unique strengths, experience, and innovation.
Wow, that's incredible. I bet many of you can't wait to try it yourself. Next, let's invite Wenhao to share some of the MeDo's unique advantages, please.
Yes. Hi guys. Next, let me share some of MeDo's unique advantages. MeDo achieves 10 minutes to create, 1 hour to iterate. What makes this possible is its powerful natural language understanding and multi-agent collaboration system. When a user types a simple prompt like, I want to build a product showcase website with image upload and a shopping cart, MeDo automatically activates multiple AI agents. Some interpret the requirements, others generate code or design the interface. They collaborate seamlessly to turn an idea into a working product. Thanks to this system, more and more users are turning the idea into real, usable apps.
Wow, that's so cool. It makes me want to start building right now. Next, let's also invite Wenhao for live building challenges to show everyone how it works.
Sure. Let's start with a simple idea and watch as MeDo turns it into a real, working app step by step. All we need to do is type our idea right here, or even just say it aloud. Let's try. Create an e-commerce website with a Canadian greeting card shop. Key functionality should include an interactive questionnaire where users input details such as gender, age, and preferred card color or style. Based on these inputs, the website will generate personalized greeting card recommendations to help customers find the perfect option. It should also feature high-quality product images, detailed card descriptions, and a seamless checkout process. Next, we can use the @ symbol to bring up MeDo's integration system, just like tagging a friend. For example, we can add the large language model to refine the app's logic. And we can add Stripe to instantly add payment capabilities. Then we just send our request. Now the system is processing. Behind the scenes, a team of virtual collaborators, multiple AI agents, are working together to build your app from start to finish. At this stage, our product manager agent is analyzing our input. It automatically breaks down our intent to understand what kind of app we want to build. Next, it will generate an initial product requirement document, or PRD. This document can be easily edited, refined, and downloaded. Now the PRD is ready. With one click on Generate App, the system starts building the full application. The entire process is powered by natural language. Next, the UI designer steps in and refines the layout and style, keeping everything clean, modern, and user-friendly. Then the developer takes over, automatically building the pages, database, and logic, just like a real developer would.
Well, thanks, Wenhao. While the app is still generating, let's take this moment to have Zijun walk us through some examples. Welcome, Zijun.
Well, to us, MeDo is more than a no-code platform. It's a new way of creation. Whether you want to create a game, a quiz, a portfolio website, a small online shop, or even a creative party invitation, MeDo brings it all to your life in minutes. Everyone can be a builder. Now, let's take a look at some real everyday and truly inspiring examples. Well, do you remember last week's Halloween?
Sure, I have a Halloween party with my friends, cosplay the Superwoman.
Yeah.
I'm sure that many of us will have a great time with your friends. And here is a fun tool for your next one. And let's take a look at this app. It's called Spooky Whisper, and which can transform your messages into mysterious Halloween codes. And let's give it a try. You can just simply type hello, a simple spell, and then press encode the message. It will transform all your spell into this beautiful emojis. You can copy this result.
Cute.
You can copy this result into your social media platforms like X, WhatsApp, Discord, or Instagram. Of course, MeDo isn't just limited to create those funny tools like this. It can also generate full games from a single prompt. Here is a mini game. Here, let me find it. Okay, here is a Flippy Bird. This game is inspired by the same name, Flippy Bird, and you can press Start Game to play this game. Let's play. Press the space bar to let the bird fly through these tubes.
It's hard for me.
1, 2.
Wow, it's very difficult.
The monsters is sent.
Carry on, carry on.
Oh, the game is over. Okay, I don't want to play it again, but actually this game is very funny, complete games. And let's see the last one. Click on the website tab and find the project portfolio, personal portfolio website. Let me find it here. And we know that many job seekers and creators want to showcase their works with personal portfolio website. And you can simply say, create a resume that show my projects and work samples. And MeDo instantly build a sleek professional website customized for you. Let's look at this example. And you can see this website is a very sleek professional website in a dark mode. We can say his name, Alex Morgan, and his title, UI UX designer, his self-introductions, and also some selected works. And this is about me, show his skills and expertise. And if you are interested in this person, you can type your name and email and send him a message to contact. Okay, one more thing. Most projects here can be duplicated. If you like this project, you can remix it by pressing the remix button. Let me show you. In here, you can press the remix button and change your name, change the project title, and make a few quick edits and create your own version in minutes.
Wow, that's useful. Thanks, Zijun. Next, let's welcome Wenhan to introduce the tech behind Magic.
Hi guys. During the e-commerce website building process, I'll guide you through each part and explain the product thinking behind our feature. What makes MeDo stand out from other AI app creation tools is our core philosophy. Less interaction, more power. We want users to achieve more with fewer steps. That means you don't need any coding skills at all. With just a few simple conversations, you can create a fully functional app. If you think about that workflow, it's most like working with a real team. You give one sentence, and the product manager, designer, and developer start doing their jobs one by one. Cool. At the heart of MeDo's architecture lies a multi-agent framework. Each agent has its own specialty, working together toward a shared goal. The product manager and designer define the product requirements. The developer reads the document, designs the project structure, and as you can see, writes the code file by file in logical order. Of course, collaboration alone is not enough. What truly enables MeDo to build real working apps is the powerful integration ecosystem. Before generating a single line of code, MeDo searches for the right resources for your project. Databases, application programming interfaces for payments, AI search, image search, and even other large language models can all be integrated as needed. These resources give apps the ability to listen, speak, remember, and even think. In MeDo's ecosystem, APIs or application programming interfaces are the key to expanding what your app can do. Moreover, MeDo provides common APIs like Stripe, AI search, and image generation. Before writing any code, MeDo automatically finds and selects the right APIs to give your app extra power. Once the APIs are chosen, as you can see, MeDo starts coding based on their descriptions. In the future, users will also be able to connect their own APIs seamlessly, allowing every app to expand its functions freely. In this e-commerce app, MeDo automatically creates all the necessary tables like products, categories, and inventory. Everything is connected in real time. When a customer makes a purchase, the stock count updates automatically. When you add a new product, it instantly appears on the site. Now, let's hand it back to Wenhao, who will show us the completed table.
Thanks, Wenhan. Wow, that was lightning fast. Shall we see in action how MeDo makes everyone a creator? And like Wenhan said, let's jump into the live demos and real use cases. Welcome, Wenhao, please.
Yeah, and here we go. The app is ready. What we have now is a beautifully generated e-commerce website, fully built in just minutes. You can see it already comes with a few sample products for users to explore. The layout looks clean and modern, with images, pricing, and buttons all perfectly aligned. Everything you would expect for a real store. Users can add items to their cart and go straight to checkout. Everything works seamlessly. And notice, all of this was generated automatically without writing a single line of code. Now, if you want to enable payments, simply click Configure Stripe, drop in your Stripe key, and your payment system is ready. It literally takes less than a minute to turn this demo into a working online store. Once that's set up, customers can make real payments through a fully functional checkout flow. It's fast, secure, and directly connected to your Stripe dashboard. No extra setup needed. Also, in the integration panels, I can see we were connected a large language model integration. This is where things get even more interesting. AI can now interact directly with your users. Let's give that a try. when users fill out this short form, we can fill it together now. For example, we can choose gender and age range, next color preference and styles. The last is occasions, then get recommendations. The AI automatically analyzes our preference and recommends products that fit them best. It's like having a personal shopping assistant built right into your website. And just like that, we will build a fully AI-native e-commerce site, complete with payments and personalization, all in minutes. This is the power of MeDo, from concept to a working business, faster than ever before. Now, let's see if Zijun has anything to add.
Okay. Another important feature that I should mention is MeDo's UI design. And let's look at this requirement.md file. If you scroll to the bottom, you can see the design style. It shows the color schemes, the visual elements, and also the layout design, ensuring every app looks cohesive, balanced, and visually appealing. And we have also built a massive image library from MeDo, containing hundreds of thousands of images, high-quality images in various styles. You can see some of the pictures here, and most of them come directly from our library. And if nothing in the library fits your needs, MeDo can generate new images on the spot. Of course, if you are a designer or have a specific creative ideas, you can guide MeDo to modify the visuals exactly how you want. And that's what MeDo shows his UI design system. It ensures every app you generate is not only functional, but also beautiful. And finally, let's take a look at this published experience. Let's press the publish button, and you can instantly launch it as a web app. You can also generate dynamic QR code for private sharing, for event promotion, and also for audience engagement. Many similar tools stop at you can build it, but MeDo goes further. It lets you build fast, launch easily, and keep your app running in the long term. And that's what makes MeDo special. It's not only just a generator, but also a truly intelligent, complete, and sustainable creation system.
Thanks, Zijun. And for what we've just heard, the reason MeDo can build in 10 minutes and iterate in 1 hour isn't just about powerful models or multi-agent collaboration. It's because there is a team constantly innovating for the best user experiences. They've made AI a true creative partner for everyone. But MeDo isn't just about technology. It's more like a journey of co-creation where every user becomes part of the story. So now, let's bring back our product team to talk about how MeDo grows together with its users and the philosophy behind what we call vibe coding. Welcome, Wenhao.
Yes, just as our host mentioned, MeDo is built to involve with its users. We don't just want people to use MeDo just to build apps. We want you to join us in redefining how people create in the AI age. On MeDo's home marketplace, you can explore amazing creations from users around the world, like the one that inspires you. And if the creator allows it, instantly duplicate an app into your own workspace to build upon it. These projects show us what's possible when creativity meets AI. And at the same time, we truly value every user's feedback. You can share your thoughts with us via our Discord community, feedback form, or by email. Every piece of feedback will be read and considered carefully, and many user ideas have already become new features.
Wow, that's inspiring. So simply put, MeDo provides you with a 24/7 dream team at your service. How awesome is that? Friends, that wraps up today's sharing session. First of all, a huge thank you to everyone for joining us to witness our live session with MeDo. And we have exciting news to share. We just hit top 1 on Product Hunt's daily rankings. This achievement wouldn't have been possible without each and every one of your attention and support. If you can't wait to try it out for yourself, please scan the QR code on the screen right now. New users who sign up today will receive 300 MeDo credits. No coding required. You can start building your app just with one sentence. Of course, you can also head straight to our official website at medo.dev to get started. For any feedback or questions, click the Discord link at the top right of the website to join our community and chat directly with the MeDo team. Wow, 3 days later, on November 13, we'll also introduce more about MeDo at our flagship tech conference, Baidu World. There will be a lot more innovation to be unveiled at Baidu World. So stay tuned and block your calendar for the live stream. We're looking forward to seeing your creative works in the community. Let's unlock the endless possibility of no-code full creation together. Thank you so much for your watching.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.